7 Scientific health benefits of pineapple. 1. Rich in nutrients, pineapple is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, manganese, vitamin B6, and thiamine. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining overall health and supporting various bodily functions. 2. Immune system boost. The high vitamin C content in pineapple helps strengthen the immune system, aiding in the prevention of illnesses and infections. Regular consumption of pineapple can contribute to a healthier immune response. 3. Digestive health. Pineapple contains a natural enzyme called bromelain, which aids in digestion. Bromelain helps break down proteins, facilitating better digestion and absorption of nutrients. This enzyme may also help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain, found abundantly in pineapple, possesses anti-inflammatory properties, may help reduce inflammation in the body, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with conditions such as arthritis or sinusitis. 5. Improved eye health. Pineapple is a good source of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and vitamin C, which are essential for maintaining healthy eyes. Regular consumption of pineapple may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other eye-related issues. 6. Hydration and weight management. Pineapple has a high water content, making it a hydrating fruit. Additionally, it is relatively low in calories and high in fiber, which can aid in weight management and promote a feeling of fullness. 7. Skin health. The antioxidants present in pineapple, particularly vitamin C, can help combat skin damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of pineapple may contribute to healthier skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a more youthful complexion.